What's up, guys? MacGyver7 back in the building again, back with some more content, back with some new tips and tricks. Today we're going to feature a website that I came across that is surprisingly really good for watching live sports. And when I mean watching live sports, like a multitude of sports. And guess what? This link works on your mobile devices as well. So if you're out and about, I'm not saying watch a game while you're driving, but if you're out and about and you can't get to a TV to catch your favorite team or to catch that game that's coming on at 2 o'clock because you're out with your girl or something like that, you can actually watch it here on your mobile device. All right, so let's get right into it. I'm not going to waste your time because I want you guys to enjoy this right now and get out there and watch some of these games that are going on currently. All right, guys, so I've went ahead and saved the link on my phone, but I'm going to go ahead and click here. The name of the website, it's called scorelive.com. All right, so it's a website that's been around for quite some time now. It's kind of flown under the radar with all the other things out there like sportshd.me and Cody and the live TV APKs and things like that. Well, this app is pretty straightforward. When you go to the website, it will basically lead you with ads, of course, in the beginning, but the ads don't overlay the website. They actually are just on there as pop-ups. All right, so that's a good thing. Now, the magic happens is when you click on that tab there, the top left corner there, it has 3 lines on it. All right, so if you go ahead and click that, it gives you an entire list of available sports that it's currently tracking and has links for us. All right, so if the sport is actually taking place, there's a good chance that you'll be able to find a stream here and be able to watch that game or watch that sport. Right, so for instance, right now my time is around 8:26. There could be a basketball game on, so I'm going to click basketball. And what do you know? The Atlanta Hawks are on. Of course, they're losing. I'm telling you, man, these Atlanta teams, man, it's hard. It's hard to be an Atlanta fan. I feel you guys out there. I'm telling you, one year, you guys are going to actually make it, and Atlanta might be turned into a sports city. I don't know. Maybe. We'll see. All right, so here you have Atlanta Hawks versus Washington Wizards. All I'm going to do is click on the live button, and it's going to present me with a link. All right, now, keep in mind, some websites have ads and things like that. You want to focus on that play button. So if I click on this play button, we're going to see if we can get the stream to come up. And as you can see right now, there's a line through it, so it means the stream's not available. So we're going to here and check the Brooklyn Nets. Let's check out their game, see if it's available. And what do you know? The play buttons doesn't have a line through it, and that means that I should be able to click on it. And what do you know? I have the game here. So you give it a chance to buffer, and the game will start playing. All right. So I don't know if you guys can hear it here, but it's starting to buffer now. All right. So keep that in mind that some of the streams of the game will not be available based on the area that you're in or based on just the streamings that they have coming in. But I would say to refresh the app, or not really the app, refresh the website, go back, check it out again, see if it's there. All right. So you saw simply, I'll go over it again. There's this blue live button here. If you click on the blue live button, all right, a play button will pop up. You click the play button and boom, you should be able to watch the game. All right, guys, so before I go, if you're running an iOS device, now mind you, this works on Android as well. I'm just on my iPhone 6S at the moment. But if you would like to save this to your home screen so you don't have to continue to type the link in over and over again unless you forget, all right, all you got to do is at the bottom of your phone here, there's a little tab here. It's almost like a little sheet of paper with an arrow pointing up. You'll click on that, and then you're going to go over here and you're going to look for the tab at the bottom where it says add to home screen. So square with a plus inside. And once you do that, it will add an icon. You can actually name it whatever you want right there. I'm just going to keep it the same, Score Live Basketball, or I can switch it to whatever I want. And then I'll just click add, and it will make a nice kind of happy icon type looking thing. But for what it's worth, it makes life simple. You simply click on it, boom, you're right on the website. Click on that button at the top left with the 3 white lines, and you're back in it to watch those games. So I hope this helped you guys out. For those of you who are out and about and just want to catch the game really quick or catch that final score or see that last play before it's over, something like that, definitely check out this website. So far it's up and running, has not shut down on me yet. I was able to watch a lot of games on Sunday as well. So check it out. Comment below what you think about it. Again, guys, thank you for tuning in. Continue to subscribe to my content. Continue to hit that bell icon for new updates and notifications. And let me know if there's something out there you want me to review or check out. Feel free to reach out. I'm all open arms. Again, this channel is driven by you guys, so I want you guys to help me build this up into something big and something huge. So thanks again.